Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul. Now there's not a ton of deals, but there are some good deals that I'm really excited to do. Now my midweek moneymaker bonus is not great. It is a dollar for 15 offers on one account, or it's a dollar for 10 offers on my other account. So not great there. So I definitely won't be shooting for those. It's just not worth it to do. And of course I won't be doing a weekend warrior haul unless they give me something absolutely insane, like $3 for, you know, or $25 for 2 offers or something. Anyways, so we've got, I think, some really good deals. We're going to be utilizing Ibotta, Swagbucks, Shopkick, the coupons.com app. I'm not taking in any paper coupons, so I'm really excited. And then there's also another deal in there that I want to try out to see if that will work. So as you know, of course, Christmas is right around the corner, so this will be my last video for the year. Like I said in my CVS video, of course the kids have school off and Aaron has the rest of the year off as well. So I would like to spend as much time with everyone that I can. And of course my daughter is already home from college, and she only has 1 semester left and she will have her bachelor's degree. I'm one proud woman, mama, all that jazz. So I was going to do a Walgreens video, but with me having such a funky month, I really don't have a lot of points. I don't have any register rewards or paper boosters or anything like that. So I don't really think that's going to be happening. Now, you never know. It might change and there might be a Walgreens video popping up tomorrow. But as of right now, there's not going to be any more videos for the year. I do have a couple of my Shop.with videos coming up, but those are already done and in the works and all that. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're grabbing is this super hot deal on this Mucinex Max Clear and Cool Spray. It is $8.97. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $2. We're also going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app for another $2. We're then going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. We'll get back 710 kicks, 700 buy kicks, and 10 scan kicks, which equals out to $284. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks for $3. We're also going to submit our receipt to a $5 cashback offer from Mucinex that you would get through PayPal or Venmo. That would make this free and a $5.87 moneymaker. Now you can also submit your receipt to Checkout 51 if you'd like. I'm going to. If it all works out, then this would be an $8.87 moneymaker. Now, Sister Savings Use Sense said that if you submit your receipt to Swagbucks and the exact same offers on Checkout 51, you won't get it, or they typically don't. So I wouldn't count on that, but I'll definitely let you know. Next, we're going to get the Optic White Pro Series. So this is $9.96. We have a $5 offer on the coupons.com app that we can use for this. We also have $5 back on Swagbucks. Then there's a $3.50 rebate on Ibotta, making this a $3.54 moneymaker. Now you can do 2 of these if you have 2 of the $5 offers on your coupons.com app, because you'd actually get back $12 for buying 2 of these on Swagbucks, plus $7 on Ibotta. So I don't have 2 of those, but let me see here if I can swing 2 and it still be a really good deal. So if I grab 2 of these, I'll actually be able to get a $4.04 moneymaker without a second offer from coupons.com. But I'm just going to grab 1. So future Sarah here, I am going to explain the breakdown for this if you buy 2 of them a little bit better, because there's some other things that I want to mention that I did forget. So if you grab 2 of these, it'll cost you $19.96 out of pocket. You will get back $5 from the coupons.com app unless you have 2 $5 offers on your coupons.com app. You'll get back $7 from Ibotta, so you'll get back $3.50 for each one. Then you'll submit your receipt to Swagbucks and get back $11. I thought the offer was for $12, but it's for $11. So you will get back $11. Then, if you haven't used it already, there's 1,200 points back on Fetch Rewards when you spend $12 on certain Colgate products, and this is one of them. Then you'll also get back 16 cents on Shop.with, because I think there's 30 kicks on there and 10 scan kicks on there. So that's going to make both of them free and a $4.40 moneymaker if you do 2 of them. Now, I'm only getting the one, and I did get back my $5 already because I'm at home and I'm editing and all that. If this is one of those offers that goes back and forth where it's available, unavailable, available, again, hang on to your receipt and hold tight and just keep checking to submit your receipt. 9 times out of 10, when that happens to me, I just hang on to my receipt, it pops back up, and I'm able to submit it, and all is well. Because that's $20 that you have to pay, boom, out of pocket, and I don't want to do that. Next, we have the soft soap refills here. So they're $5.97. There's $1 back on Ibotta. There's also 710 kicks back on Shopkick, which is $2.84, 10 scan kicks, and 700 buy kicks. So that's going to make this about $2.13 for one of these big jugs. So I might get one. I'm not 100% sure. I do have some good money makers, but I think I want to use my money makers on something else. So next we're going to grab these right here. So these are $9.98. There is a new rebate on Ibotta for $10 back when you buy 2, and it works on the trial sizes. So these are $9.98. Grabbing 2 of them will equal out to $19.96. You'll get back $10 on Ibotta plus a $7 bonus, making these $2.96. What? Oh my gosh. Yes, $2.96. No coupons. And you know we're going to do the power wash. The power wash is $4.94, and we are going to get back $3 on each one of these at Walmart, making them $1.94, and you can do the deal twice. And so our money makers are going to cover the cost of these items. Here's an easy money maker that you can do. This is $1.26 for, looks like a gallon of water. It's for 3 liters. Oh, there we go. There's a good handle on the back. And we're going to get back $1.86 on Shopkick, which is going to be 600 and, oh my gosh. We're going to get back 465 kicks between scan and buy kicks on Shopkick, making this free and a 58-cent moneymaker. Next, we're going to get the Clorox disinfectant spray. Now, you can do this with either this or this. I would like to get this one because I love the spray bottles. So we're going to grab this for $6.82. We're going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $2. Then we're going to get back $2 from Ibotta. We're also going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks and get back $1 on Swagbucks. I'm only doing the deal one time, so I'm only going to get $1 back. So that's going to make this $1.82. And I saw that you could spray this on fabric. I'm like, what? I'm ready to go home and spray it right now. So if you need a decent deal on something like this, which I know I do, and it is for the Clorox Scentiva wipes. These are $5.52 a piece, so $11.04 for both. And then you'll get back $6 on Swagbucks, making it $5.04 for both, which isn't a bad deal. 2 for $5 for the big tubs isn't bad at all. Or you could grab 2 bottles of bleach for $3.58. The bottles of bleach have to be over 40 ounces. These are 43 ounces. So you can get 2 of these for $7.16, and then you'll get back $6 on Ibotta, which is also a really good deal. So I think I might do that too. So next, this isn't the greatest deal, but I use these to make Thin Mints, and I'm gonna try tag-alongs this year as well. So it starts with a Ritz cracker, believe it or not. So these are $3.88. And we're gonna get back $1.25 on Ibotta. Whoops, making them $2.63. I'm gonna buy them anyways, so I'm gonna grab them. So this is everything we have here. We do have some money makers, but we are gonna, use that to pay towards other things so they're not as expensive, but there's still gonna be a cost, and I'm totally fine with that because I would buy this stuff anyways. And I love this. So I'm totally fine with all of that. So anyways, let's go check out and I'll meet you in the car. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walmart and everything went beautifully. Everything went beautifully. Also, I was weak when I went into Walgreens and I did a few deals and I did film it and I will show you it, of course, tomorrow. So if you want to watch that, you totally can. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. So, but it's there if you want to watch it. So anyways, like I said, everything went beautifully. No coupons used in store, so that made everything more seamless. So anyways, my total for everything that I got today was $78.95. Now for my regular rebates back on Ibotta, I got back $24.75. Some of my offers did not pop up right away. The ones that didn't pop up were the Ritz crackers and the Colgate. Other than that, they all popped up and everything worked totally fine. So I got back $24.75 back on Ibotta from regular rebates. I didn't have a bonus that I got for the midweek moneymaker, but I did get back a $7 bonus for the Olay, and that's pretty darn good. So I got $21 back on swag bucks. I got back $6 for each one of the Clorox products. I got back $3 for the Mucinex, and I got back $1 for the other Clorox disinfecting spray and $5 for the Colgate. Sorry about that, guys. Then I'll get back $4.86 from Shop.with. I'll get back kicks for the water, for the Colgate, and for the Mucinex. I'll get back $9 from the coupons.com app. So I'll get back $5 for the Colgate, $2 for the Mucinex, and $2 for the Clorox disinfecting spray. I'll get back $5 on my PayPal for that Mucinex offer. And I uploaded my receipt, already got an email back with like a code. And then what you do is you follow the link, you copy and paste the code, and then they'll send you your $5 within a few days. And then I'll get back $3.42 on Brand Club. I'll get back $1.92 for the products that I bought, and I'll get back $1.50 for a Mucinex survey that I'm going to do. So that's going to make my price for everything just $3.92, from almost $80 down to just about $4. I think that's a fabulous deal. So I got Clorox wipes, good size Clorox wipes, which I wasn't going to initially count it. But you know what? I thought, let's see what it is going to be with the Clorox wipes, and we'll just go with it, because not everything has to be dirt cheap. Just if you're going to use it and you save money on it, that's the most important thing, I think. We're also supposed to be getting a horrible storm in the next couple of days. We're going to get like 10 inches of snow, which is a good amount. So that's going to be interesting. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a great and fun and safe New Year's holiday. So that's all, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. So this is everything we got here for today. Let's try that again. So this is everything we got here for today. It's not gonna be cheap-ish. Well, let's try that one more time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. I really slapped my steering wheel there. Today we are at Walmart. We're here to do some deals for the week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul. We're going to be using Ibotta, Shopkick, Swag Bucks, coupons.com,